All right. As far as this gift guide thing, we had this idea that we were kind of cooking up here that each year when we do gift guide stuff, we wind up putting all new things in it. And that's fine, and we will do that. That's not going to be excluded. A gift guide is essentially just cool stuff found, but maybe a little more filtered. But it dawned on me that there are things I use that we have mentioned on the show years ago, and perhaps a few times over the years, that are so useful that I forget that I use them and I forget to talk about them. It's kind of like the idea of a quick tip, right? Like, what are those things that are so critical to you that you just find so much utility with that you forget about it because it's just there and you can rely on it, right? So the one thing that came to mind for me is actually something I don't even use, but Lisa uses, and that is the aftermarket wireless CarPlay screen. Her car does not support CarPlay. It's too old, and she doesn't want to get a new car because she loves her WRX that she drives. I know it's like her and all the 20-something guys, and they wave at each other when they drive around. But we got her this 7-inch, and you can get different sizes, wireless CarPlay screen. We got it for like $80 2 years ago. Now it's down to $50, and there's a link, of course, in the show notes to Amazon for everything or wherever you can buy it from. And it's fantastic. Like, you just plug it in and it becomes your CarPlay thing. And it even links to her speakers via aux or Bluetooth. You can do it either way so that CarPlay sounds come out of the car, not just out of the speakers of the little unit. Phone calls work great. And it's CarPlay. And she was able to mount the screen on her dash, and it's in a perfect little spot that it just works. For $50, you can add CarPlay to your car. And she doesn't even think about it anymore. But if I went in her car and took it away, then we would be thinking about it in terms of, why did you do that to me? And how will retribution for this work? Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, it's just a fantastic thing, and it was a Christmas gift for her. I really did it. It was a flyer. I was like, I don't know if she's gonna like this. I don't know if it's even gonna work. But for $80, let's try it. Let's see what happens. And it's become like indispensable. So